In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious jam and coconut loaf. I've got 175 grams of softened butter, which I'm going to put in a mixing bowl. With a fork, I'm just going to lightly just cream it. I've got 175 grams of granulated sugar, which I'm going to add to the butter. Okay, I'm going to cream all this until it's light and fluffy. You can use a electric hand whisk to do this as well. Okay, the butter and sugar is nice and fluffy and creamy, so I'm going to add 3 large eggs to this. I've got 75 grams of desiccated coconut here, so I'm going to use most of it in here. I'm just going to leave a little bit for the topping. With this, I've got 225 grams of self-rising flour, which I'm going to fold in gently. This mixture is now ready. I've got a baking tray here which I have already greased, so I'm going to pour the mixture into this baking tray. Okay, I'm just going to smooth the mixture in this baking tray and just give it a bit of a tap, and this is actually now ready to go in the oven. I've preheated the oven for at 160 degrees, and this needs to be baked for about an hour. I'm going to check to see how the cake is doing. I'm going to use a cocktail stick and just prick it in the middle. Yeah, it seems like the cake is actually done. The cake is almost cooled down, so with a bread knife I'm just going to try and see if I can just loosen the cake. Okay, I'm going to try and tip it over now. Looks good. The cake has completely cooled down. I'm using strawberry jam here, which I've completely mixed so there are no lumps, and I'm going to spread it on the cake. I've got some shredded coconut here, which now I'm going to just sprinkle on top of the cake, top of the jam.